Okay, we are on day 3, item 5, and the bottom should say page 3. And you should have your song right in front of you, because when you do your 2 on your own, I want you to double check that those are on your song, okay? Number 1, the cat likes the meat on the plate. So where does the cat like meat? It is on the plate. First word's a preposition, last word's a noun. I'm going to check my song to make sure on. Oh boy, yep, down at the bottom. There are some at the bottom too. Okay, there's on. The boy in the hall won the game. Where is the boy? He is in the hall, and he won. Is one a preposition? Let me double check. Okay, so in is a preposition, and then one, I'm going to check way at the bottom because I know it's in alphabetical order, and I don't see one. So one is not a prepositional phrase. Won the game is not a prepositional phrase. The first word's a preposition, and the last word's a noun. Number 3, at the school, the girls met their friends near their locker. Where are they? They are at the school. And where did they meet their friends? It was near the locker. The first word is a preposition, and the last word is a noun. And then we're going to leave everything else alone. One more, and then you're on your own. Jane drove the boy to the party. The prepositional phrase is to the party. Where did he drive him? To the party. Now, I want to remind you that we do check our 2, and we'll tell you why in a bit. Okay, so 5 and 6, I'm going to draw a box around 5 and 6. Okay, and I want you to draw a picture of a flower right next to it. Okay, notice what a wonderful artist I am. All right. Have a great night. One more night to go. Feel free to go ahead and do it tonight if you'd like to.